Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with another breakfast, that is chicken sandwich. And for that we need some Goan coconut chutney also. So you need cheese. So here are the ingredients. What you need is some cheese. You can use any type of cheese, some butter, some salami, chicken salami, some chicken ham, some coconut chutney. I will share you the link of this coconut chutney, uh, how to make it at home. And again, butter is needed and some uh, sliced bread. So very easy. So if you keep all this ready, first of all, very good morning to you all. It's morning over here. The weather is very nice. So we have to apply butter for this. Okay, and so we'll apply butter. Uh, the first slice we'll apply butter. A nice amount of butter. So we'll put this cheese on this. If it's coming out, then we will chop it. So you get slices also of this. Then again we'll put butter on this. Then put on this. Then we'll again apply a butter. Then we'll put this ham. So we'll take the size of ham. Chop the extras. Now we put on this. Then again butter. It's very rich and heavy and tasty. Then we put on this. And now we'll put butter again. And if you have this, you can have it as a breakfast or you can have it as your brunch, or there is some party or something, then you can use the bigger sliced bread what you get, more bigger than this, and you can make as a bite starter. And then we'll put our coconut chutney on this, the last on this, and we'll spread it nicely on this. And then we will put the last one, applying the butter. On this. And then comes on this top. And you can have this sandwich this way only, or you can cut it nicely. So you can just serve it this way and directly eat this. It looks so nice and pretty, and it is tasty too. So now we will make a small bite, like for parties and all. It's always good to small bite. If you want to grill, you can grill this in your oven on 160 degrees. So now we'll cut this in middle like this. And then again we'll cut into between. And here it is to go on your plate and enjoy your breakfast. So same thing you can do with this chicken salami and enjoy. So I'm going to enjoy. My chai is also ready. Our Indian chai is ready over there. I will show you. It's getting ready. Strong Indian chai. So I will make some more sandwiches, because this is like few sandwiches, and it's ready to go. Chicken, ham sandwiches with coconut chutney. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do it same way with this, where I have placed ham. You can place this salami, chicken salami. Thank you once again, and hope you will enjoy this breakfast or party time snack. You can say a small bite. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.